Hi everyone, it's Malvina from Paper Spellcrafts. Today I want to show you how to make this beautiful tunnel card using French Blue collection by Frank Garcia for Prima Marketing. We will need a base for our card, paper pad and a set of dies of your choosing. I prepared 4 pieces of paper of the same size. We will need them for our tunnel, and then I put 3 of these papers together and cut the smallest die size at the same time, all of the papers together at once. This will allow me to position the rest of my dies exactly at the center of our card, and one of the designs will be our bottom element. 2 designs that are left I cut with the medium die, so one of these will be our middle tunnel layer, and then the last one is our top layer, and I cut it with the biggest die. These papers will create our tunnel, and now we can prepare them by putting some acetate foil on them so that they look a little bit like a glass. I use double-sided tape for that, because if you use the glue it might pop off. I repeat these steps for all 3 layers of our tunnel. Now we need some dimensions, so I'm using 3mm foam tape to make the layers a little bit higher and to make space for our shaker and all the extras we will add later. And with this bottom layer I add the tape right around our window, and then I add the extra layer on the sides of our paper so that it looks nice on the outside, although we will cover that later. Now it's time to add any shiny embellishments you would like. I'm also using Finnabar glitter. This is a spring set, and all of the links to the products you will find in the description below. And once I'm happy with the amount of my sparkly shiny little things, I add our bottom layer, and that's how my shaker turned out. Moving on to the favorite part of any Prima Marketing fan, so I'm adding flowers. I chose these tiny flowers because they are small enough that I can add this extra layer of my paper of this window, and that it will look nice. Also added one butterfly from the ephemera set and some more glitter. And once I'm happy with this layer, I close it off with my second paper. Time for the last section, and I'm just adding some butterflies from ephemera set and maybe a few more flowers, because you never can have too many flowers. Placing my third layer, and now we can move on to decorating the front of our card. And here I'm using some ephemera, another set of beautiful French blue flowers. I just love this set with these big flowers you can see here. Its watercolor style is just, it's my favorite in this collection. I also used the third set of these medium flowers, chipboard stickers. You can see me placing this little rose right here. And one more thing, I actually used a sentiment from chipboard stickers, but this is from the In Full Bloom collection designed by the Free Girls Tale for Prima Marketing. So as you can see, we can mix and match these collections. This was actually perfect for me to use in this card. And now you can see me actually hiding the sides of this card, because I decided that it doesn't really look so nice with all this foam tape visible around. So I just cut tiny pieces of paper and put it on the sides. And now I'm adding some white acrylic paint to add this shabby chic style to this card. I love doing that to my dreamy flowery cards because it always makes them look so much better and so delicate and dreamy. And also you can never have too much glitter, so I'm adding a little bit of that as well. This will coordinate nicely with our tunnel. And I will also add some pearls. These are 2 sets of memory hardware pearls. Also remember, all the links are in the description down below, and I'm using hot glue to place them one by one. These are so versatile, and I got every single set of these so that they match every collection by Prima Marketing, and I swear I use them in, I think, all of my work. And one more thing to add: art stones. I really enjoy adding art stones to my projects, and I also use matte gel to put them on the flowers. And this is it. So I hope you liked this tutorial. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I always make sure to read everything you leave there, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!